In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Forms from accepting responses. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the free Microsoft Office online website. Once the page loads, locate the option that allows you to sign in. Signing in is essential because it connects you with your Microsoft account and grants you access to Microsoft Forms and all related functionalities. After signing in, you will arrive at the Microsoft Forms homepage. This is where you manage all your forms and view their statuses. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Once you are comfortable, identify and click on the form that you wish to modify. It is important to ensure you have selected the correct form, especially if you have multiple forms in progress. When the form opens, you will see a range of options that allow you to edit the content and settings of the form. Look for the settings option, which is generally indicated clearly on the interface. Clicking on settings is your gateway to adjusting the behavior of your form. Once you have entered the settings menu, you will find several options that control how your form operates. Within the settings, navigate through the available options until you find the section that deals with responses. This section contains the controls for managing how submissions are handled, including a toggle related to accepting responses. At this point, you should notice an option labeled Accept Responses. This setting is marked to indicate that your form is currently accepting new submissions. Your task is to disable this feature. To do so, click on the Accept Responses option. A checkbox will appear next to this label, and it will likely be checked to confirm that responses are being accepted. In order to stop accepting responses, you must uncheck this box. Simply click on the checkbox to remove the checkmark, which effectively changes the setting and prevents the form from capturing any new responses. Once the checkbox is unchecked, your form is now closed for further submissions. It is a straightforward process that allows for immediate control over your data collection. Before you perform this final step, make sure you have collected all the required data, because unchecking the box halts any further submissions permanently. Additionally, you should see a confirmation or an indicator on the page that confirms the form is no longer accepting responses. This ensures that you have successfully completed the task. This method of stopping responses is especially useful when you have reached your desired number of submissions, or if you are preparing to wrap up a survey or a poll. The intuitive design of the Microsoft Forms interface makes it simple to switch between collecting responses and closing the form. By following these steps, you maintain complete control over your data collection process. In summary, the process involves signing into the free Microsoft Office online platform, navigating to the Microsoft Forms homepage, selecting the proper form, accessing the settings menu, and then moving to the responses section to uncheck the Accept Responses box. This procedure offers an efficient way to control when your form is active, ensuring that your survey or feedback session concludes precisely when you want it to. Enjoy the workflow management provided by Microsoft Forms, and use these steps whenever you need to stop accepting responses.